What is up, guys? My name is Andrew.
And I'm Joey.
And welcome to A&J Stocks. And this is our introduction video to our channel.
All right, so a little bit about me is I am 18. I just graduated high school. I don't plan on going to college, but I am going to be working full time. I am an aspiring stock trader, and I also love to be a personal trainer sometime in the next few years.
So I am also 18. I'm planning on attending Salisbury University next year and actually play baseball there as well. So our vision with this channel, I'll say that.
Pretty good vision.
Huh?
It's a pretty good vision.
You're so dumb. You are really dumb.
So our main goal with this channel is to teach beginners, especially people around our age, to teach you how to be smarter with your money and teach you guys about investing and its benefits.
We can't stress this enough that we are also beginners. We hope to bring you guys on this journey.
A few months back, we got very interested in the stock market and also just saving money right in general and the long-term benefits of it, even within a decade. And we're just here to share that with you guys. So yeah, I hope we can help.
We are just starting out with all this. We hope that with our videos, we can inspire you guys to also learn about investing and different ways to build your wealth. So we hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was just our introduction. Make sure you guys do hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and let us know down below for any ideas for future videos that you do have that you would like us to cover. But yeah, like I said, my name is Andrew.
And my name's Joey.
We are A&J Stocks.
Sir.
So I hope you guys enjoy. We're hoping to crank out as many videos as we can in the coming future during quarantine.
All right. Think rich. We'll see you next week. Boom. We're famous. We're rich. We're happy.